So special incentives for FDI. FDI is foreign direct investment. So many companies, especially the pharmaceutical companies, want to diversify their business operation post the context of COVID-19, right? So special key scheme has been designed for them so that they can provide support to companies which can transfer the ownership and control from foreign countries. The following incentives are applicable to FDI that the projects that are mega and above. So it will be for the period of 1 year from the date of notification and include the following incentives. What are the incentives? Investment promotion subsidy. So investment promotion means up to 40% of investment you can get as a subsidy from the government. So it may differ from company to company. So maximum up to 40% you can get the investment as a part of the foreign direct investment. Next, imported machinery. So any relocation of industrial project will definitely, if you are relocating your industry, you have to relocate the machinery from the country of relocation, right? So the new and they can the second hand machinery can be included in the eligible fixed assets so that you can claim for tax exemptions. Transport and logistics is a significant operating expenditure for many companies. Yes, transporting the finished goods, storing them, and properly distributing them is a big headache for companies. For that, the government is giving 75% subsidy on the cost for relocating. In case if the company is relocating, what that 75% cost incurred for relocating will be reimbursed from the government. So it will be subject to a limit of 10 crore, maximum of 10 crore the government will be reimbursing to the companies. Land cost subsidy, same way we have discussed before, the 10% concession for A and B district and 50% concession for D, C districts for land up to 20 percentage. So for private land, 50% subsidy will be offered. So the aim is to have an inclusive growth. So they are giving more concession for the C districts. Okay, an R&D training incentive. This one we have already seen. Same way, the same way it is given for the training for the R&D persons, and same way for the other funding on capital goods